Yeah, hello. Good afternoon. Myself Pratik. Here I am representing the project Ambience ParkView from Concept Ambience. So here we are the gold sponsor for the NAREDCO property show. Here we are coming up with one business hub and residential project. 1 acre is an office space, G plus 17 floors, and 3.2 acre is a residential 3 BHK apartments. So here the office space we are divided into G plus 17 floors. So each office space have nine sizes. One is 2,200 SFT to 5,900 SFT. Apart from that, in residential we have 21 floors, G plus 21. We have two sizes. One is 1725 SFT. One more is 2100 SFT. It's a servant room. So there is a dedicated clubhouse of around 35,000 square feet, G plus 4 floors. So the 5-star rated amenities here we have like squash court and badminton court, swimming pool, and a home theater and a restaurant. So these are the project amenities. So the project is located in the hotspot of the Gachibowli, the DLF road. Okay, thank you. So current price we are going on is in B Hub is 11,500 rupees per square feet. The residential we are quoting 10,200 rupees per SFT. So NAREDCO, it's a great opportunity to participating us. So we are the gold sponsorship property show. Thank you.